Nail extensions with soft gel and Luminary Nail System review in this video. Hello, I'm Anastasia and I finally have my kit of Luminary. I have base and top coat. The color is Hope. I also have it in the jar. I heard so many good reviews about the system, so I thought that I need to try it. Today we'll be working on my right hand and one nail is broken, so we're going to do extensions. I fit the form, then I apply dehydrator on the full nail and non-acid primer only on the free edge. Now I'm placing the drop of the gel on the free edge. The consistency is medium and I think it's just perfect to do an extensions, especially knowing that this is the sock off gel. So it basically works like a builder gel, but then you can just soak them off. I place the drop in the center and then I stretch it. With this gel, I would not recommend doing some extreme length. This is more for natural looking nails. Cure for 30 seconds and now we can take the form off. You don't have to do this, you could keep it on. I just feel more comfortable when I'm not having the form on my nail anymore. And now we're going to build the structure. First, I apply a thin coat of the same color and I'm going to create the apex and cover the nail. You can also use the same gel from the pot. This is exactly the same product, the same color and consistency. It's just for nail technicians who prefer to use it from the pot. I ended up using only the one from the bottle. So I just go back and forth, never lose touch with the product and your brush, because once you do, you might have some bubbles on the surface and usually we do not want that. Do not forget to get more product in the center because this is where the apex, the highest point, should be, and slightly stretch it towards the free edge. Almost done here. Then we are going to cure it again for 30 seconds and we will be done with this nail. Now let's see. Oh man, there is a little overflow on the right side, but I do have an excuse. I'm working with my left non-dominant hand and we can fix it anyways with filing and buffing later, so not a big problem. For the rest of the nails, I will need to do an overlay only because they're not broken, but I definitely need to cover them with something. As you can see, they are a bit damaged. The reason for that is that because I had long extensions and didn't have time to do infills like usual. You never have time for yourself, and this is what happened. Here's another trick. If you have fat sidewalls just like me, I use the plastic clip that is designed for pinching nails, but I do this to my own finger because this is the only way how I can hold the sidewalls. I have only two hands, so on myself this is the only way, even though it's a bit painful. Let me know if you have the similar problem. When working with my clients, I do not have this problem because you can just stretch the sidewalls with your other hand. So basically there are just two steps. First we apply a super thin layer and then we cure it, and then I apply a thin layer again and put a large drop to create the structure of the nail. I really like this color, Hope. Actually in Luminary Nail System they have few nice colors, but I just like this one the most because I like nude beige colors and it's intense enough to hide all the imperfections of the natural nail plate and it still looks natural. Now it's been 2.5 weeks, I didn't experience any problems with that, and it was most important because this color is so nude you cannot even see this outgrown part. Cure, and when you're done with all nails, we need to clean the sticky layer and file the nail that was sculpted. Normally you would need to file the length and a little bit of the sidewalls, so just shape it and that's it. But since I was working with my left hand, I would probably need to file the surface as well. And once you're done with filing and buffing, the last step will be sealing with a top coat. I'm using the one from Luminary kit as well. This is the no wipe top coat, and when soaking off the nails you will need to file this one off first. Cure for 30 seconds and we're done here. My poor damaged nails turned from this into this. That definitely looks so much better, but I still feel weird, after having these long extensions. I feel like some part of my arm is missing now. Let me guys know if you feel the same way when you're switching from the long nails to short ones. And what do you think of Luminary Nail System? Have you tried it? I will definitely post a follow-up, but for now I am happy with this system. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new tutorials just like this one every week. And I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!